Hello guys, and welcome to Top 4 and channel. Have you ever dreamed of working from home, setting your own hours, and making easy money online? Are you tired of working long hours for a paycheck that barely covers your bills? If so, get ready to make your dream a reality, as we've got a video that shows you just that. We're going to show you how you can make super easy money online, no matter how old you are. We will walk you through signing up for a user-friendly and simple platform where you can start earning money right away, no matter where you are. The best part about this is that you can do it from anywhere in the world. I do not need any special skills or knowledge. All you need is an internet connection and a computer. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, start earning easy money online by sitting back, getting out a notebook and pen, and getting ready for a fun way to make money online. GPT is like your personal genie, but rather than granting you 3 wishes, it can grant you endless knowledge and information. It's a language model that has been trained to understand and generate human-like text in simpler terms, so it can answer any questions you may have. If you're curious about pandas, you can ask ChatGPT about what pandas eat by just asking a question, and it will answer it. The best part is, it can even create an entire essay or paragraph on your topic of interest. But how does that work? Just imagine a huge library with millions of books, each covering a different topic and containing different information. In the digital world, ChatGPT has access to a large amount of data and information on the internet and uses that information to generate responses to questions. It has all the knowledge and information you could possibly need about that topic. A deep learning algorithm based on a technique called transformer allows ChatGPT to understand the context of the question you're asking and provide an appropriate answers. The best thing about ChatGPT is that it can also help you earn money. Let's get started. Before we head to ChatGPT, we want to generate an affiliate link first. To do that, we will need to go to a website called CPAgrip. This affiliate marketing network connects advertisers with publishers in order to promote various products and offers. Simply put, it's a platform where companies or individuals who are looking to sell something can find out about what they can sell. In this way, advertisers create an offer or product they want to sell and set a commission rate they will pay to anyone who helps them sell it. They then work with people who can promote those products or services and earn a commission for every sale they produce. Once they find an offer, publishers or affiliates sign up to CPAgrip to find offers to promote. Using social media, email marketing, and their website, they promote it. If someone makes a purchase through their unique affiliate link, they earn a commission. A wide range of products and services can be promoted by publishers through CPAgrip, including mobile app installation, free trials and surveys, e-commerce products, and online courses. In addition to commission rates varying depending on the offer, there are subscription services as well that can range from a few cents to hundreds of dollars per sale. To become an affiliate, you simply have to click on the Join Now button at the top right of the page and fill out the registration form. You will be required to provide your name, email address, phone number, and other relevant information. You must then choose a username and password for your account, and make sure that the password is strong and not easily guessable. Once you have completed the registration form, click on the Create Account button at the bottom of the page. CPAgrip will then send you an email with a confirmation link. Click this link to verify your email address, and then log in with your username and password. In order to receive relevant offers, CPAgrip requires you to complete a profile form containing your website promotional methods, payment information, and payment methods. When your profile is complete, you can begin browsing and selecting offers to promote. Once you've selected an offer, you can filter it by category, payout, and other criteria to find the best ones for your audience. If someone clicks on your affiliate link and completes an offer, you will earn a commission and start making some money for yourself. You will receive a unique affiliate link so that you can promote it on your website or other channels. So now you may be wondering how you are going to generate clicks for your link. You simply need to visit chatgpt.com. Using ChatGPT, you can ask it to send an email promoting the offer you selected on CPAgrip. It's super easy to use, and it generates the email within seconds. Our next step will be to go to Hercules, a website where you can send thousands of emails. Using Hercules allows you to reach a big audience with just a few clicks. so you can use Hercules to send emails to potential customers who have expressed interest in receiving promotional emails to promote your affiliate offer. You can use Hercules to reach out to potential customers and promote your offer by using a targeted list of email addresses. Hercules is like having a secret weapon for your marketing arsenal. You can reach thousands of potential customers in just a few minutes instead of manually emailing each of them one by one. Best of all, Hercules is free, so you can use your hard-earned money for bigger goals. You can even use it for well-deserved treats like nights out and vacations, so all you need to do is create an account on Hercules and click Send Email. You will be presented with a form in which you can enter the details of your email. First, choose a subject line that grabs the recipient's attention and makes them want to read your email. Then write your message in the box provided. When you're ready, simply paste the email that was generated by ChatGPT. Once you're satisfied, click the preview button to see how the email will appear to the recipient. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click the Send Email button to send the email to the list. Free members can send 1,000 emails per day, while paid members can send up to 30,000 emails per day. As soon as you have completed all the steps, you will receive money every time someone clicks on your link. So even if 10 people who receive this email click on it, that's still 100 clicks. If you want to start earning money online, give this a shot. It is an amazing method and it is very easy to use. Hopefully this tutorial has taught you something new today. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button in the comments below and let us know what you think or have questions about it. Please be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on so that you'll know when we upload a brand new money-making method that you won't be able to miss. See you soon.